Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we will talk about our first type of operator in Python, which is arithmetic operator. Okay, so what are arithmetic operators? These operators are used to perform mathematical operations on numeric operands. And in Python, we have mainly 7 types of arithmetic operators available. Okay, and we will talk about each one of these in detail with example. Okay. So first operator is the addition operator and we denote it with the plus sign. Now let's go to PyCharm and see how we can use the addition operator. So I'll declare two variables a and b, and then here inside print function I'll apply arithmetic operator between a and b operands. Okay. So these a and b, this one is the operator and these two variables are called operands. Okay. Now let's run this. So you can see here we are getting response as 30 because 10 plus 20 will become 30. Now the next operator is the subtraction operator. So here what we will do, instead of plus, we'll apply minus and run it again. So now we are getting response as minus 10. Why? Because 10 minus 20 becomes minus 10. Then we have third operator, which is multiplication operator, and it is denoted with the asterisk sign. Okay. So what we will do, we'll remove this minus and put asterisk here and run our code again. So you can see here we are getting response as 200 because 10 into 20 becomes 200. Then we have division operator, and this single slash is used to denote the division operator. So we'll apply this division operator here and rerun our code. So we are getting response as 0.5. Okay. Because 10 divided by 20 becomes 0.5. Then the next operator is the modulus operator. What it does, it gives us the remainder between a and b. So when you divide a by b, whatever the response or whatever the result this operation will return is the remainder of the division. Okay. Now let's run this. So we are getting response as 10. Why? Because 10 when divided by 20, it will give the remainder as 10. Okay. Then we have next operator, which is exponentiation operator. What this exponentiation means, when we write a double asterisk b, this double asterisk is the exponentiation operator. And when we write a double asterisk b, that means a raised to the power of b. Okay. So now let's apply this exponentiation operator here and run our code. So you can see here we are getting response as 10 or 1 with number of zeros here. Why? Because 10, this is nothing but 10 raised to the power of 20. Okay. And then we have the last operator, which is the floor division operator. So what it does, earlier we saw that when we use single slash, it gives us the result in the float value, that is 0.5, which is the correct value. When you divide 10 by 20, you will get result as 0.5. But instead of single slash, when you put here double slash, what will happen? You will get the floor value. So you will not get the decimal part. Okay. So this is the difference between double slash and single slash in the arithmetic operators context. Okay. That's all for this session. Thank you.